In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine video clips using Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll start right inside Premiere Pro with your project already open. Take a look toward the top right of the screen and find the import option. This is where you bring your video files from your computer into the project. When you click import, a window will open showing your computer's folders and files, but now you're viewing them through Premiere's interface. Take a moment to navigate to the folder where your video clips are stored. You can select a single clip or hold down your modifier keys to select multiple clips at once. Choose all of the clips you want to combine. Once you've selected them, look at the bottom right of that window and click the import button. Premiere will then start adding those files to your project. So just wait a moment until they appear. If your clips are large or you're importing many at once, this may take a bit longer, so be patient and let Premiere finish. After the import is complete, you'll see your video files appear in the panel usually located beside your timeline, on the left side of the screen. This is often called the project panel. From here, you're ready to build your combined video. Click on your first clip and drag it down onto the timeline. Place it on the main video track, often labeled V1. This becomes the starting point of your sequence. You'll see the clip appear as a block on the timeline, representing its duration from start to finish. Next, grab your second clip from the project panel and drag it onto the same V1 track, placing it directly after the first clip so that they sit back to back. Continue this process with the rest of your clips, dragging each one in order so they line up like a chain. First clip, second clip, third clip, and so on. Make sure there are no unwanted gaps between them unless you intentionally want a pause or a black screen. If you decide you want to change the order later, that's easy. In the timeline, simply click on any clip, hold down your mouse button, and drag it left or right to a new position. When you let go, the clip will drop into that spot, and the surrounding clips will adjust to make room. You can keep rearranging until the sequence plays exactly how you want, and that's it. You've imported your footage, arranged it on the timeline, and learned how to reorder clips, effectively combining multiple videos into a single sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro.